Hello, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. The equal rights singer herself, Ishawna, has signed her first international record deal with New York-based record label Payday Records. Ishawna last evening made the announcement on her Instagram page. She also made sure to thank music producer Scatty Burrell, who accompanied her to the signing, Patrick Moxie, Payday Records, Ultra Publishing, and of course, her fans. Last June, the artiste collaborated with British pop singer Ed Sheeran on their single, Brace It. Now, this is Sheeran's first official dancehall collab. UK-based rapper Steph London is back with a new collaboration. Ghanaian singer Kevlin Boy released the official video for his song Down Flat last January and has now done a remix with Steph London, who is of Jamaican heritage. The song is set to be released tomorrow.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Steph London.
Steph London previously worked with dancehall artist Spice on the song Clockwork, which was released earlier this month. Now, dancehall entertainer Skang had his bail extended when he appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court this morning. He is scheduled to return to court on November 7. The 21-year-old born Kevin Douglas is charged with disorderly behavior and resisting arrest following an argument with a member of port security at the Norman Manley International Airport last May. His co-accused, Akara Wilson and Shaquille Kelly, also had their bail extended. When the matter was called up, their attorney Christopher Townsend requested a further mention date, citing that part of the footage from the airport was not disclosed. The court was told that the file is still incomplete. On to the international scene, where Missy Elliott received the honor of having a street in her hometown Virginia named after her. The American rapper posted a photo with the image of the new Boulevard sign on her Instagram with the name Missy Elliott on her page last evening. She also added the caption, quote, "My grandma, who passed away when I was young, always told me to stay prayed up and dream big. A boulevard? I'm crying tears of joy. I've been blessed so much, but this right here hits my heart differently. I'm so humble and grateful to be from P-Town to up to down, the entire Virginia." End quote. Congratulations to Missy. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran Gordon. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.